Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2019 Toyota Sienna LE that just recently arrived to show you. This van also happens to hold 8 passengers. Under the hood, you're going to find a powerful 3.5 liter V6 engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, and this is front wheel drive. It is shown in the gorgeous celestial silver metallic color. This has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and power door buttons. Tires are in excellent condition. We'll head on inside here. So nice clean interior, power mirrors, windows and locks, and storage along the bottom. You have these great all-weather mats. They really fill the width, so they're going to keep everything in excellent condition. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, beautiful premium cloth throat, and your front seats are heated. On your steering wheel, you do have your lane departure warning, forward collision warning, cruise control, dash selection, audio mounted controls, Bluetooth and hands-free, so lots happening right at your fingertips there. To the left you have your traction control, and you can turn the power doors off, which is nice. You also have a bit of extra storage down there. Into the dash, the current mileage on this is 79,794 kilometers. You can also scroll through a few of the different menu options. Take a second to explore that menu a little bit further with your sales advisor. Okay, and then to the right, of course, you have your ignition area. Up top, it's a nice clean dash, clean styling. And then into your beautiful entertainment system. So from the home screen, it gives you a bit of a view there of what's going on, a little snapshot. So for your audio, you have AM, FM, and satellite capability. You also have the option for Bluetooth, USB, and a CD player. You can go into your audio controls. From there, you have a beautiful backup camera. There is an app screen as well. So again, take a second to explore that technology a little bit further with your sales advisor. You do have your dual zone climate control as well as rear climate. So here are your heated seat options for your driver and passenger. A 12-volt outlet, 2 additional cup holders. You do have 2 in the center here. This is also a nice clean design and plenty of space in that center console. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything is in excellent condition. Again, great all-weather mats, locking glove compartment. You have additional space above that as well. Up top, you have illuminated vanity mirrors, sunglass storage, and then the buttons for your power doors. So back here, because it is powered, you can just pull the handle. It'll open for you and click into place. So again, lots of room back here, great all-weather mats, storage behind the seats, 2 cup holders. You also have 2 USB ports and an AC outlet there. They have power windows, built-in sunshades, and again, they can control their climate from back here as well as you can control it from up front. So that third seat, making this an 8-passenger, would actually go right into the center. But in case you don't need the 8th seat, it's actually stored in the back. So it is a 7-seater and has the ability to go into an 8-seater. And in the back, you have an additional 3 seats. They stow right down into the ground. It is a 60-40 split, and we'll just give you a quick shot of the instructions there. It's pretty simple. So again, this was just a very quick tour. We'd encourage you to come on down, book yourself in for a test drive, and actually get this van on the road so you can experience it for yourself. If you have any questions, we'd love to help you with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.